Welcome back to AK AutoExpert, your go-to destination for the latest reviews, walkarounds, and everything auto. If you love cars as much as we do, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. Today, we're diving into the sleek and sophisticated 2025 Kia K8, a sedan that blends elegance with innovation. Let's jump right in. Exterior. The 2025 Kia K8 is a true head-turner. It boasts a bold front fascia with a frameless tiger-nose grille, flanked by diamond-patterned LED headlights that stretch elegantly into the fenders. The daytime running lights add a futuristic flair, resembling a star map in motion. The side profile is smooth and sculpted, with a long, flowing silhouette that emphasizes luxury and aerodynamic performance. Flush-mounted door handles and chrome trim accentuate its premium status. At the rear, you get a full-width LED light bar and a clean, modern bumper design that screams sophistication. Rolling on stylish 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels, the K8 is all about premium presence. It's longer and more refined than the outgoing K7, making it a serious contender in the upscale sedan market. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia K8 offers multiple powertrain options. Depending on the market, you can choose from a 3.5-liter V6, a 2.5-liter inline-4, or a 1.6-liter turbo-hybrid setup. The V6 pumps out up to 300 horsepower, delivering a smooth and confident ride. An 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless shifting, while front-wheel drive comes standard, with all-wheel drive available for those who crave extra grip. Kia has tuned the suspension for comfort and precision, making the K8 equally at home in city traffic or on the open highway. With impressive fuel efficiency, especially in the hybrid variant, the K8 offers both performance and practicality. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that rivals German luxury. The dashboard is clean, modern, and tech-forward. The centerpiece? A stunning curved panoramic display, housing both a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen in one seamless unit. Premium materials are everywhere: soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and even wood accents in higher trims. The seats are ergonomic and supportive, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions available. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and comfort, thanks to the extended wheelbase. And let's not forget the 14-speaker Meridian sound system, which makes every drive feel like a concert on wheels. Safety features. Kia's commitment to safety shines in the K8. It's loaded with Kia's DriveWise suite, which includes forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping and lane following assist, smart cruise control with stop and go, blind spot view monitor, remote smart parking assist, a 360-degree camera system and parking sensor.